how would you like to create a profitable lead generation system that generates you unlimited leads in your business? Hey, my name is Kamin Choo. I help business owner and entrepreneur like you build a profitable lead generation system that generates them unlimited leads. So if you are new here, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So let's dive into this video. Alright, so when it comes to lead generation system, there are lots of ways to do lead generation system. Alright, so by the way, what is lead generation system? So lead generation system is a system that generates you leads. Alright, so in this video I'm going to covering how are you going to create a lead generation system. Alright, so before we dive into lead generation system, you need to know that there are 4 things you need. Alright, so the first thing, you need to validate your market. Alright, you need to know whether your market is profitable right now or not. Alright, so it can be something like very profitable last month, but this month is not profitable, so that's the market that you don't want to go in. Alright, what you want to go in is you want to go into evergreen market. Alright, write this down on a piece of paper, evergreen market, or you can comment evergreen down in the comment section. Alright, so why do we need evergreen? Alright, let's say for example, an evergreen market is like a weight loss. Alright, so you are in a weight loss market, you help people to lose weight. So this is the things that will not go away. I can say like forever, will not go away forever. Or you are in a how to generate income niche. Alright, so this is the market that will not go away forever. Or if you are in a relationship business, alright, you help couples to have a good relationships. Alright, so something like that. But if you are in a market where let me think about not evergreen market. So not evergreen market is like something that iPhone market. Alright, so who knows, one day we have another competition can beat Apple. Alright, and everybody switch to that things. Alright, or you are in like something that will change often time. That's where you don't want to go in. Alright, you want to go into some things that it will last at least for the next 5 to 10 years. Alright, so that's the first thing, you need to know your market. Alright, you need to validate your market. So the best way to validate your market is if you have existing customer or you have a potential customer, your prospect list. What you need to do is you need to follow up with them, talk to them and get to know them well, and you ask them, if I want to sell this type of products, will you buy or not? Alright, so that's something you need to ask them. Okay, so here's the next thing. Alright, the next thing you need after you create you validate your market is you need to create an offer, a compelling offer. If you are selling a product or service, you are competing against a lot of competition. Alright, so because everyone is selling their product, everyone is selling their service. Alright, but if you create an offer, so how I define offer is different, is an offer is some things that unique. Alright, so let's say for example, if I want to sell this phone, alright, I want to sell this phone is a product, but if I sell this phone along with this cover and along with something else, it becomes an offer. Alright, and inside this phone I have a contact of Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, or a lot of successful people. So what this is not a product anymore, this becomes an offer. Alright, so that's what you need to create. You need to create something that people look at it, people will feel, wow, this is amazing. Alright, so if you didn't watch my video about the 3 types of offer, what I want you to do is I want you to click the button anywhere in this video so you can watch the video later. Alright, so here's the thing, you need to create an offer that make people feel like this is a great deal and this is a deal that I don't want to miss. Alright, and that's where you can hook your target customer. So again, you need to back to where you validate your market. You need to know what your customer want. It's not about what you want them to know, it's about what they want. Alright, and give them what they want. That's it. Alright, and then that's where you create an offer, you give them what they want. Alright, so after you create an offer and you give them what they want, the next thing you need to do is you need to create a lead generation system. Alright, so here's the thing. So when it comes to create a lead generation system, you need to create a page that is very simple and easy to consume. Alright, you don't want to create a very complicated page. Alright, so the best because this is a very subjective topic, but if you plan to create a lead generation system, there are a few things that you need to do. Alright, so first thing, you need to have a good headline. Make sure your headline is very attractive to your target customer. Second thing is you need to have 3 benefits why your offer can solve their problems. Alright, and what problem are they solving? Alright, and the next thing you need is you need some testimonial or someone use your products before. And then the next thing is you need to stack up your offer. Alright, you need to make sure something like this phone is only cost let's say 1,000 ringgit or $1,000. So but today you are not going to get this only, you are going to get this cover, you are going to get a successful entrepreneur contact number in this phone. And today I'm not going to sell you for $1,000. I'm going to give you a special offer. I'm going to sell this for half price, 50% off, $500. So that's value stack. You stack up the value, you make people like, wow, this is so much value and I only get this for $500. Right, this is what you need. Okay, and lastly, after you stack up your offer, you need is call to action. Buy now, book now, or schedule an appointment, or fill in your application now. Alright, something like that. So after that, you bring them to a thank you page where you can offer them something else on your thank you page, or you can ask them to like or subscribe to your YouTube channel or your social media, connect you with social media. Alright, so that's lead generation system. And lastly, what you need is you need to drive traffic. Alright, so traffic also is a very subjective topic. So if you want to find out more about traffic, you can click the video anywhere in here, so you can watch my traffic video. Alright, so by the way, if you found this video is valuable, what I want you to do is I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Alright, so let me summarize everything. So what you need right now is you need to validate your market, find out whether is this market in demand right now, or is this market in demand for the next 5 to 10 years. So you need to validate your market. And second thing, you need to create a compelling offer for your market. Alright, you need to make sure that's something that they want. So the third thing you need is you need to create a lead generation system to get leads. Alright, so leads is very important. No matter what you sell, you need leads. Alright, or no matter what you plan to do, you want to grow your brand awareness, you want to sell your products, you need leads. Alright, so that's the third thing, lead generation system. And the fourth thing you need is traffic. You need to bring people into your lead generation system to get your offer. Right, so that's it for this video, and I see you in the next video.